bright morning in a beautiful green forest. Sweet sound of birds singing filled the air. The forest was peaceful and full of life. On a high tree branch, there lived a cheerful parrot who loved singing every morning.
La 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 la. Good morning, friends. Let's sing and play together.
The parrot flew around the forest and greeted all the animals with joy.
Hello, everyone. My name is Parrot. I'm happy to sing together with you today.
Hello, Parrot. Your voice is very beautiful.
Thank you, Bee. What are you doing?
I am collecting nectar to make honey, but today I feel very tired.
After flying for a long time, the bee became very tired. Suddenly, a strong wind blew throughout the forest.
Help me! I can't fly anymore.
Don't worry, Bee. I will help you.
Thank you, Parrot. You are very kind.
You're welcome. We must help each other as friends.
The parrot quickly helped the bee and brought her to a safe place under a big leaf. A few days later, the parrot felt tired after singing all day. The bee came to help her.
Now it's my turn to help you. Here is some sweet honey to give your energy.
Thank you, Bee. This honey is very delicious.
From that day on, the bee and the parrot became best friends. They learned that kindness and helping each other make life more beautiful.